Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm Sarah Jane Semek, and for today's video, so itatakil lang natin tong email sa akin ni YouTube na kailangan nyo nang i-update nga yung ating mga US tax info dito sa ating Google AdSense. So sabi dito sa aking email, your US tax form expire at the end of 2024. It's time to refresh your US tax form. So kailangan nating i-update nga. Creators will expire US tax form may be subject to a default tax rate of 24% of total earnings worldwide. So, pag hindi nyo nga na-refresh or in-update yung mga US tax nyo, so yung magiging rate ng tax nyo dito sa ating Google AdSense is tataas. Yun nga, magkakaroon ng 24% total earnings worldwide. Every few years, creators need to resubmit their US tax form in AdSense for you to make sure their information is correct and potential withholding taxes on their earnings are accurate. At the end of this year, your US tax will expire, so get a head start on filing it out today. This applies to all creators even if you don't live in the US. So, yun nga, lahat ng creators, kahit hindi ka nakatira sa US, so kailangan mong i-update yun. So, yung gagawin natin is i-update natin yung ating tax info dito sa ating Google AdSense. So, actually, na-ano ko na to, na-update. And ipapakita ko lang sa inyo ulit kung paano ko in-update yung aking US tax dito sa ating Google AdSense. Pag nandito na kayo sa inyong Google AdSense, so punta kayo dito sa Payment Info. Ayan, Payment Info, under Payments. So, scroll down lang kayo. Then, makita nyo dito sa Settings. Ayan, click nyo tong Manage Settings. Ayan. So, dito sa Manage Settings, so, scroll down lang kayo at hanapin nyo tong United States Tax Info. So, click nyo tong lapis na to. Ayan. So, click nyo tong Manage Tax Info. So, click nyo lang tong Submit New Form. Okay? Ulitin natin yung ating form kahit nakakasabit lang natin. So, mag-start tayo ulit para mapakita ko nga sa inyo kung paano ko nga ito ginawa. So, start new form. Yan. Before you start, flat on taking 15 to 20 minutes to keep your account secure. We need to verify it's you. After 1 hour, we may need you to verify again and information already entered would be saved. So, yan. Basahin nyo lang muna yan. Then, kapag tapos nyo basahin, start form. Then, so, enter na lang natin ulit yung ating password. So, dito sa step na to, United States Tax Info. So, pipili lang natin. So, individual lang pipili natin dito. Next. Yan. Are you citizen or resident of the United States? Siyempre, no. Next. Ayan, dito sa baba. Select W8 tax form type. So, ito yung select natin itong W8BEN. Yeah. Ayan, dito sa country region of citizenship, so piliin lang natin yung Philippines. Lang natin dito, ilagay lang natin dito yung ating TIN number. Yan, so next lang natin. Dito sa street, ayan. So, copy-paste na lang kapag may nakalagay naman kayo dati. Yan. Then, kung same naman sa residence address nyo dito, yan, next lang natin yan. Ilagay nyo lang, check nyo lang yan. Kung same naman. Yan, so next. Ayan, so dito naman, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax? 20. So, yes lang natin yan. Then, residence, hanapin natin yung Philippines. So, dito sa special rates and conditions, check lang natin yan, nasa box lahat. So, article and paragraph, article 13, then yung rate niya dito is 15% reduce. So, check mo lang din yan. So, dito din. Yan, so dito reduce 0%. So, yan, check lang din natin ulit yan. Ayan, so 15%. So, check and next. So, dito naman sa activities and services performed in US. So, Sarah Jane Semek perform any activities and services for Google within US or do they accept to in the future. So, yes lang natin. Ayan. So, paperless delivery agreement. Accept. Ayan. So, next lang natin. Ayan, I confirm. So, ito na yung inyong, so, pwede naman yung i-click dyan para mas makita nyo yung form nyo niya. Ayan na yun. Ayan. So, next lang din natin ulit yan. Then, ito na yung information na pinil up nyo kanina. Ayan. So, under benefits, check lang din natin yan. Then, I certify. Ayan. Ayan, so, yes lang natin yan. Then, submit. Ayan. So, nakalagay dito sa inyong form is submitted on September 20, today yan, and submitted by Sarah Jane Semic, and expire on December 31, 2027. So, after 2 years ulit, yan, magre-apply kayo ulit and update nyo ulit yung inyong US tax form. So, ganun lang kadali, di ba? Napakadali lang gawin. Then, may marireceive kayong email galing sa Google AdSense na your tax information has been approved. So, after nyan, okay na po yan. Yan, approved na siya, no? Ngayon, submitted on September 2024. So, ganun lang kadaling mag-update ng inyong mga US tax info. Kung hindi pa po kayo nag-update ng inyong tax info, sa inyong Google AdSense, i-try nyo na po yan. So, gawin nyo na po yan para hindi na po kayo mag-goal sa deadline na within, ito lang, ngayong year lang yan. Kailangan nyo na mag-comply ng inyong mga US tax info sa inyong Google AdSense. Ayan, that's all for today's video. And huwag mo kalimutang mag-like and subscribe and click mo yung bell para updated ka sa ating mga video na i-upload. At i-share mo rin to sa mga kakilala mo na nag-YouTube and mga content creators na hindi pa nakaka-update ng kanilang mga US tax info. And mag-comment sa baba kung na-update mo na yung inyong Google AdSense. So, that's all for today's vlog and see you on next video. Bye!